Let's garden. These are those papaya seeds. You want to have it in something that'll catch that water. Just getting these watered in, but they're so far so good. So I just saw a spider. Y'all, I ain't messing around with y'all. I ain't messing around. Everything a spider can hide in is coming out. Think I'm playing? I don't think so. Ain't no point in having this stuff in here anyway. Things that just dug in and disappeared. Why does this only happen to me? Well, I'm using the shield. Gotta put in all these scraps. I wish you could see how much life is in this. This is like my worm bin, bug bin, and I use this to seed all of my pots. I let the bugs eat and poop and do their thing and reproduce, and I take a little bit of this pot, or a little bit of this soil, and I add it to each and every pot. That's why you can keep everything going. You're gonna love this moldy papaya. If you didn't watch that other video, we just planted some papaya from seed. Like, I don't think the video's seeing this, but there's so much life. Anyway. Moving on. That was dang spiderweb! Dance break. Planted this lettuce from cutting. It's doing great. All this is going to be sweet potatoes. Once you start dying down, we're going to be picking this from, or digging it all up. And this is why it's nice to you making your own soil. Check out how light this is. This is like 30 gallons. One arm. I know I'm strong, but you make your own soil. You can add to it what you want, as long as you're following those certain conditions. But I gotta get everything moved around here because winter is coming. I'm gonna get this all covered. I made this for the tropicals. I gotta get all these pots moved around. That's kind of what's cool about pots, is that they're not stuck in one spot, so you don't have to go around and cover everything. What I generally like to do is get everything in here and covered. These guavas, my avocados, all of my tropical things, my bananas. And pots you can move around. This is gonna suck because this one's so heavy, it's mostly sand. Yeah. I don't want to move this around a lot, but it really doesn't need to be protected. The struggle, people, the struggle. Pineapple guava. Lord have mercy. Gotta get these barrels all set up before it starts to rain. These are actually, you get these filled. This is gonna help me with keeping things warm in those areas, as well as free water. If you don't have any barrels, get you some barrels. These can be pretty cheap, at least here. You can find them online. I'll do a complete video on this though later. But for right now, we need to catch some rain. Rain's a-coming. Check out these babies. Got things kind of moved around in the way that I want to. This area is all going to be covered. This seasons don't make any sense. There's no reason. This is not monsoon season. I don't know why it's raining like this, but 30 days, 30 nights. But check out this avocado is loving it. I mean, avocados, baby. Man. Everyone said you can't do avocados here, but this season is so weird. Past couple years. Hey, Plants gotta have a party too, you know? Getting all sorts of new growth. I mean, tell me that don't look right. Dragon fruit just growing where it wants to grow. Just letting it do its thing. It fell off. This is that one that was growing on its own. Mango's loving it. It should be cold. Normally Halloween is when it starts to get cold and I wear like light sweaters or whatever the case is. This season, no. And then we have rain and like monsoon is like in earlier months. So November, December, you shouldn't have, it shouldn't be raining at all. Banana's loving it. I just love how the water just beads off of this guy. In a pot, got multiple shoots. I'm gonna have to take some of these out. I might wait till after the season's over and get some of these planted. We got pups on pups. Tomatoes are looking great too. Look at that water though. I just love how it's like Rain X. You know, it just turns into little beads. It's amazing. I'm gonna have mangoes, got dragon fruit, got avocado back there. We got that new one planted and it's looking pretty good. The gem avocados. I even got fruit on here. Like the seasons are so weird that things are fruiting when it shouldn't be fruiting. Like it thinks it's an extended spring. Very weird season, guys. Tomatoes, alive or dead, I don't know, but I still got tomatoes on here, so I'm leaving it. I'm gonna be planting that dragon fruit or a dragon fruit over here on this next season, but for now I have cherry tomatoes on here. I'm not gonna say no. This thing grew on its own, but we are flushed with fruit. Seasons are crazy, and I just know that praying mantis is somewhere around here just staring at me, waiting for me to slip up so he can take me out. Might have an actual whole colony just waiting out here. It's a weird thing to be afraid of your garden, but also be happy about everything happening. And this is that other gym. Looking great. So far, so good. Got it in a cloth airbag. But these things should do great out here. Check that out. It's loving this weather too. Even though it should be 30s, 40 degrees. It's so weird, guys. Vegas for you. I need my chill hours though, so but we got plenty of sprouts going on this guy. Gem avocados are great for pots. They should stay fairly small, and they can handle the heat here. Man, watermelon's still coming at you. Can't forget about the passion fruit. First year with these guys, so I don't know how long it takes. I don't know if they need heat, but they should turn purple. Purple red. I love this. I love this hobby, man. Come out here picking fruit. Who in the desert? Who says? Look, got those barrels set. Got to catch all that rain. Another storm's coming. 30 days and 30 nights of rain. Leave me a comment below. Let me know. I'm going to do another video on how I cold protect all this. Coming soon. Free rain, though. At any rate, let's grow.